Morning, grade 10. How are you today? Today, inshallah, we'll speak about the lesson number 3, which is entitled Relation Between Two Roots and the Coefficient. But at first, let me make quick revision about the general form of a equation from the second degree. Okay, as we know, the general form is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. A is the coefficient of x squared, okay? And b is the coefficient of x, and c is a absolute term, okay? Absolute term, okay. And I have two methods to solve the quadratic equation in the one variable. The first, it was factorizing. We take it in the past in grade 8, and in grade 9 we take the general formula, okay. Let's take example about factorizing and general formula. The first, by using factorizing, find in real number the solution set of the following equation. The first, I have equation, quadratic equation in one variable, which is x, and start to solving by using factorizing. At first, open two bracket, okay, equals 0. X squared mean x and x. The sign will be, that's positive. Then the two bracket will take the sign of the middle, negative and negative. Okay, 15. I need two number, the product of them equal 15 and the sum equal 8. Okay, I have 1 times 15 and I have 3 times 5. Which one of them? 3 plus 5 equal 8. Excellent. Then we'll write A 3 and 5. Okay, then this bracket equals 0 or this bracket equals 0. Okay, then the two root is x minus 3 equals 0 or x minus 5 equals 0. Okay, x minus 3, that means x equal 3. Okay, then x minus 5 equals 0, that means x equal 5. Then the two root is x equal 3 or x equal 5. Okay, it's about factorizing. Let's take example about general form. Okay, by using a general formula, find in real number the solution set of the following equation. X squared minus 2x minus 6 equals 0. Okay. General form, negative b, positive or negative, square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Okay. Then, what's the meaning of a and b and c? Oh, it's a equal the coefficient of x squared, which is 1, b coefficient of x, which is negative 2, c is the absolute term, which is negative 6. Okay, start to find the root. Then x equal negative b, negative 2, which is positive 2. Okay, positive or negative, square root for b squared. b squared اللي هي ايه؟ يبقى negative b power 2, which is 4 minus open bracket 4 times 1 times c, which is negative 6. Okay, all over 2a, 2 times 1, which is excellent 2. Okay, then x equal negative positive 2, positive or negative 4 minus 4 times 1, 4 times negative 6, which is negative 24. Okay, over 2a. Then x equal 2 positive or negative square root 4 minus 24, which is 28 over 2. Then I have two roots. The first is x1 equal 2 positive square root for 28 over 2. And the second is 2 minus square root for 28 over 2. Oh, it's easy. Okay. But today we will speak about a relation between these two root and the coefficient. Today, we don't need to solve the equation. We don't know to find the two root. Today, we'll speak about relation between these two roots and the coefficient. The first rule, it was about the sum of the two roots. The sum of two roots equal negative coefficient for x over coefficient for x power 2. Okay, then negative the sum of two root equal negative b over a, negative b over a. B, which is the coefficient of x, a is the coefficient of a. Okay, that's about the sum of two root. The sum of two root equal negative b over a, which b is the coefficient of x, over a, which is the coefficient of x squared. Okay, then the first is about the sum of two root, but the product of two root equal the absolute term over the coefficient of x squared. Okay. The example number one, he asked me to, without solving equation, find the sum and the product of two root and give me this equation. Okay. Then a equal 4, which is coefficient of x squared, and b equal 4, which is the coefficient of x, and c equal negative 35, which is the absolute term. Okay. Then to find the sum of two root equal negative b over a, negative b, which is negative 4, over a, which is 4, negative 4 over 4, which is negative 1. Okay, then the sum of two root is negative 1. Okay, but what's about product? Product of two root is c over a. Okay, c equal what? Negative 35 over 4. Okay, then today we'll speak about the sum of the two product or two root or product of two root. Okay, the sum of two root equal negative b over a, which a is a coefficient of x squared, b is coefficient of x. Okay, let's take another example. Without solving equation, I don't make factorizing or find the root by general formula. No, 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 no. I need the sum of two roots or product of two root. Okay, then this equation me must make order for this equation. Order general form is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Okay, equals 0. Then I must make a range for this equation. Star 2, 3x squared. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, it's very nice. Then negative 23x plus 30 equals 0. That's the general form of the equation. Start from x squared, then x, then absolute term. Okay. Then a equal 3 and b equal negative 23. Excellent. And c equal 30. Okay. That's all about the coefficient and absolute term. Okay. To find the sum of two product, the rule is negative b over a, which is negative 23 over 3. Negative positive. Excellent. يبقى 23 over 3. Okay. Then the product of two root is c over a. C equal 30 over 3. 30 over 3 is 10. Okay, then the two root, the product of two root equal 10 and the sum of two root equal 38. ده كان باختصار شديد كلامنا عن solving without solving find the sum and product of two roots. إن شاء الله تكون حاجة سهلة وبسيطة، وبالتوفيق إن شاء الله. السلام عليكم.